Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode here. Today's video is going to be all about affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with my channel, I talk a lot about working from home, creating a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. A lot of my videos, I've, taught you a lot of things about growing a YouTube channel, growing your social media platform so that you can broadcast anything that you're, whatever you're affiliated with across all these different platforms. So today's video is going to be more specific, going in more depth about affiliate marketing, as things are getting, better for me. I'm progressing in my business, so I just want to be able to carry it forward for you guys and give you more value for you guys and always producing valuable content for you. So finally, after, a lot of work and a lot of things that I have been doing and stuff like that, something else that I just accomplished, which I should accomplish a long time ago, but basically it's all on your own time. So basically, I became an affiliate for Amazon. For quite a while, I've been using certain products that I should have been capitalizing from the very beginning. And once again, trial and error, things that you'll learn, as you go through your process and stuff like that. That maybe you'll grasp what I'm telling you right now, take heed to it, and do what you need to do right now before you get to a point to where I am later on in my business, and I'm starting to do things now. So giving you that knowledge now for you to go ahead and put that in action. So I became an affiliate with Amazon. Pretty easy setup and everything like that. You just basically you can real quick you can just Google affiliate Amazon affiliate program, and basically through there click on the link. It'll take you all the way through step by step. It'll ask you a few questions and so on and so forth, like where you're going to be using your primary affiliate program. So if you're going to be doing YouTube like I'm doing right now, then of course you would just copy and paste your homepage for your YouTube and everything like that on there, so that they have that documentation. Just to give you a little bit of helpful tips and stuff like that. So moving forward, when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you're new to the affiliate marketing game or you have no clue on what it is, basically you are marketing other people's products rather than creating your own product, because there's a lot of stuff that comes involved with you creating your own product. I can go right down the list. There's a lot of marketing when it comes down to it. As you get better in your business, maybe you want to come up with your own product. If you're clever and savvy enough and stuff like that, more power to you. But at the same time, in the very beginning, if you're new to this game, stuff like that, and you want to get your feet wet, then rather than coming up with your own concept, just go ahead and market other people's products and get really good at that, and then later on you could do your own products. That's my input that I want to give to you on that. So moving forward, when it comes to Amazon affiliate, like really what can you market? There's really sky's the limit. Anything that's on Amazon is free open game for you. And you get anywhere from like 10 to 15% sales, commission based off of, you marketing their products for them. So you give reviews. This is what you can do on your YouTube. This is what you could do on any of your other social media platforms, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, so on and so forth. Okay. So one thing I wanted to talk to you about, because what really inspired all this from the very beginning, which would be a part of what I'm doing with my affiliate program, is basically I started listening to an audiobook. And if you've been checking out my videos and so on and so forth, you'll see in my description I'm always leaving information about this audiobook. And for the longest time, I actually wasn't even putting in my own affiliate link with that. So I was giving out free stuff, just to let you guys know about what it is that I have been listening to, and things that have helped me build and give me the confidence and give me the motivation, the drive to do what I'm doing right now. So, with that being said, going in more detail, the audiobook that I have been actually listening to is called The 4 Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. If you haven't heard of it, I strongly urge you to get this audiobook. Me personally, I'm not a reader. I fall asleep. You give me 1, 2 pages and I'm already nodding off to it, and I'll never finish it. That's just me. Some people have a vivid imagination where they can sit there and read a whole entire book and absorb everything from it. That's just not how the way I process things. So audio and visual, that's why I love YouTube. I love to watch videos. I could watch videos all day long and soak up information on there. Maybe you're that kind of person. And at that same time that you're watching a video, the audio of it, because you're listening to it, is also hitting home for you. So with that being said, I listen to, the 4 Hour Work Week as I'm going back and forth doing my regular day job. And the first time I listened to it, it honestly just intrigued me to no end. It gave me such a firm, I want to say it, just a firm grasp on what you can truly accomplish. So that's what I'm putting forth the action. That's what I'm doing, the things I'm doing right now based off of what I learned from that book. And from that book, I've listened to it so far 3 times already. I'm on the verge of listening to it again. I'll keep on listening to it over and over and over again, because you really, even though you may have listened to and heard everything verbatim, there's still certain things that you haven't implemented yet within that book. As you're building, as you're starting and stuff like that, you're doing the first couple of things, and then you want to listen to it again so you can get the last couple pieces and start putting those into play. And that's just the way it is. But I totally urge you guys to, grab a hold of that book, listen to it. It will totally change your life. This guy basically, he went to college, he did, Harvard and stuff like that. Needless to say, he didn't complete all of that, but he did go that far, in his business career, in his study career, should I say. And he's always had that entrepreneur spirit where he wanted a freedom lifestyle for himself. So, he tried different things and so on and so forth. And eventually what he ended up doing was he started off with he got in the health and wellness business. And that's some of the top things you learn about when it comes to, online marketing. You said health, wellness, work from home. Those are all like the number one, niches in the market right now. So you can always succeed if you follow any one of those, platforms and stuff like that. So basically he got into the nutritional, so he was marketing, nutritional, basically vitamins, vitamins that help you improve the mind and everything like that, to give you quick responses and stuff like that. So that was his product. That was his niche market. And, he set up a website, he did all that stuff. So he marketed his own product and so on and so forth. He found where to outsource all the ingredients and everything else. And that's what that book is mainly about. It's about outsourcing. So he implemented that, and, he got really proficient with it. And then once he, did all the legwork himself and he mastered that portion of it, then he ended up getting, other people to help take away the time so that he can have more time to himself, because he was working like, like a madman, basically. He didn't have no time off to himself. So he hired others, to basically do all the outsourcing for him. And then he had an entire layout of people who were working for him, doing all of his little minor micromanaging jobs, positions, and so on and so forth. And to the point where he only checks his emails once a week. That's basically in the whole story nutshell, that's what he's doing. Imagine that. You look at your phone right now, you're probably looking at it as you're, watching this video and stuff like that, scrolling through, whether it be your social media, your emails, and so on and so forth. Imagine having someone doing all that work for you and giving you a detailed synopsis on all of that, at the end of the week. so that you ain't got to continuously keep checking that, and you can go on with your daily life and spend time with your family, or go and take adventures and go all around the world and travel and so on and so forth, because your work is being done for you. And this is what he explains to you, that is very plausible, it's very easy, very simplistic. He gives you so much detail and insight on how to get this started. It's not even funny. So with that being said, like I said, I encourage you guys to check out his audio or buy his book. I'll leave a link in the description now for that where, of course, if you do purchase that book and want to look at it further, I'll get credibility from it, because now I have my affiliate link attached to it, which is really powerful. And that's how all this stuff works. So if you're listening to my review on this book, I ask that you just, take advantage, and if you're going to get it, give me some 10%, give me a 15%, because I'm putting the work in. I'm giving you the idea of what this is all about and how to, change your lifestyle for yourself. And at the same time, you'll turn around and you'll learn from this, and you'll do the same thing, and you'll capitalize on this. And that's just how this whole thing works. I'm monitoring my videos. I want to make sure that I don't go over, because like my last video, I just kept on talking and ranting and only got 15 minutes on this recording that I'm doing right now. So with that being said, like I said, I encourage you to check out that book. It's truly powerful. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. All you gotta do is put forth the work in, and be consistent, in everything that you do, when it comes to your business. If you gotta get up every single day and go and do a job, whether it's 9 to 5, whether it's retail time or whatever the case may be, overnight or anything like that, if you got to make that commitment, because it's a sacrifice that you have to make in order to take care of your family, so put that same aspect, put that same desire into your own business, and go out there and crush it, and just change your life for yourself. All you got to do is put the work in. All you got to do is think about every day. If you put something forward, you put an action towards your business every single day, what's going to pay off for you in the future is what's going to pay off for you. You're going to receive that reward later on. So do what you got to do now, so that you can be relaxing and sitting on the beach, sipping on a Mai Tai, thinking about, hey, Duan said this. So I'm glad I listened to him. I'm glad I took that knowledge. I'm glad I put forth action. I took action, and I went out there and I did what I had to do. So, and I'll definitely see you out there on that beach. You're going to be doing a whole lot. We're going to be relaxing, spend time with our family. It's going to be awesome. And I'm going to give you that pound. Like, hey, you did it. You did your thing. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for myself. And give myself a pat on my back, give you a pat on your back, and hey, let's go out here and have, live that lifestyle that we need and we desire, and that we owe it to ourselves. All right. So check out that book, 4-Hour Workweek. It totally will change your life. I'm telling you. I promise you. It will give you such an a broad perspective on what you could be doing and what you could have been doing a long time ago. But that was the past. Now it's all about thinking about the present and your future. All right. Guys, have a good one. See you on the next video. If you like this video, if it made sense to you, leave me a big, huge thumbs up. Give me a comment. Hit that bell for notifications so I will continue on putting out more videos for you guys. And you guys have a good one. Take care and see you on the next one.